What's up, you guys? This is Boy Miguel giving you your daily dose of radiation. In today's video, we'll cover what happens if you accidentally shoot a patient hot. Like you shoot it like higher technique on like a digital exam. So, for instance, let's say you accidentally shot a kid. Like you shot the chest under a regular adult chest. So usually it'll come out burnt, like black. And the only way you can save those is like if you put a grid on it and you tweak, because the exposure number will be way off. Sometimes you can save those like that, but you have to be careful. Once again, another time that will happen is if the patient has like a prosthesis, it will get burned up pretty bad. So with those, I would say sometimes shoot it with the grid. It comes out better. But once again, everyone's machine is kind of different. We have two machines that are identical, both Fujis, and each one, like one you have to shoot it hot without a grid, and the other one is the complete opposite, and like it's weird. And sometimes certain machines you have to like shoot it under like some weird, like let's say you're shooting a tip fib and you have to like run it under a T-spine to get the optimal exposure number. So some weird quirks that if those happen, usually your veteran techs put you on game. They know stuff like that. Like our machine for hips is better to shoot it without a grid, and then when it shows up process, then you don't have to reshoot it, but you just swap it out for a grid and the picture comes out better. So there's those kind of situations. Certain machines have better capability of post-processing. Like if you shoot something and it wasn't as optimal, you can kind of play with it. Other ones you'll have to like wait till you're actually on your pack system to be able to do all those adjustments. And then certain equipment you can shoot, like if you shoot it hot, it will automatically compensate. Well, digital in general will automatically compensate. And it'll kind of like, even if you shoot it wrong, it'll try to. So for something to get burnt, you have to like be really, really off. Or you had to set the technique like off, like pretty bad. Then that will happen. But usually it'll like start making noises, be like, yo, you don't want to do that. Like, even though you can still technically you'll shoot it, but like it'll let you know, like, don't do that. So that's something that you can try to do or pay attention to. Sometimes when you like shoot something and it will come out really, really dark. No, if it's like really, really bad, and it usually happens when patients have prosthesis or like double prosthesis, it'll like get burned up. But sometimes you'll just have to like even all the tweaking and try to post process so you don't have to shoot it. Some of the you can't save it. You'll just have to look at your exposure number and kind of tweak from there. And you'll have to reshoot it. Sometimes it sucks, especially with kids, because like you feel bad, but like sometimes you just have to pay attention and tweak it. And yeah, it's been your boy Miguel. See you on the next one.